You are officially my favorite dancer of 2008.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
I found that so entertaining. I just wondered, where is it going and how are you doing it? I honestly don't know how you're going to do with the choreography or if this competition is right for you. What I know is you are right for dancing.
Thank you.
And if this doesn't work out for you, I hope that enough people see it that will realize that either to put you in videos, in movies, in commercials, or however else they can use your unique ability, which I think is just tremendous.
Robert, I'm telling you, you put us on a big roller coaster right there. You just do all these crazy moves I've never seen before. I have never seen the likes of you. I don't think America has seen the likes of you.
Thank you.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm like waiting for you to unzip your skin and like come out like an alien or something, because you're not normal, like you're not human. You're really, I swear, I'm just waiting for you to unzip your outerwear. No, it's amazing. You're brilliant.
Thank you.
In the warm-up, I watched you do a move where you went back, and we see a lot of people go back to a certain level, but you just carried on going. Would you mind showing me again how you did that?
Only if you take me to Vegas.
Do you want to risk not doing it?
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I've never seen anybody like this before. He thought Cedric was something in his freestyle. I mean... I'm exhausted.
I know. I'm exhausted.
So Robert waves goodbye until Vegas.